John Young, NASA's longest-running astronaut, who walked on the Moon and flew in the first Gemini missions and the Space Shuttle, has died. The first person to fly 6 times to space, 7, if it counts its launch from the Moon in 1972, and the only astronaut to command 4 different types of spacecraft, Young died on Friday, January 5 due to complications of pneumonia. He was 87 years old. NASA and the world have lost a pioneer, said interim NASA Administrator Robert Lightfoot. John Young's career spanned 3 generations of space flights. We will stand on his shoulders as we look to the next human frontier. Young was at the forefront of human space exploration with his balance, talent and tenacity. Selected along with Neil Armstrong and Jim Lovell with a second group of NASA astronauts in 1962, Young flew 2 Gemini missions, 2 Apollo missions and 2 Space Shuttle missions. He was one of only 3 astronauts to hit the Moon twice and was the 9th person to step on the lunar surface. In total, Young recorded 34 days, 19 hours and 39 minutes flying in space, including 20 hours and 14 minutes walking on the Moon.